come on board to take our program into the future and to return to greatness. Please help me welcome Coach Lee Helm, our new head football coach at Texas State University.
I just want to say how excited I am and proud to be you guys' new head coach. I want to make sure all you guys come out and support the team. I want to see everybody at the games. And also when spring ball starts, everybody's welcome to come out to practice, support our team. We need everybody's help here. You know, we're in a new era, and we're going to start a new winning tradition here. Thank you.